Research can be categorized into different types. First, based on objectives of the study or use of the result of the study. It can be basic or pure research. The research problem deals with fundamental or problems of facts, creating a design or making a discovery. The outcome is new knowledge or new knowledge that verifies existing theories. For example, designing a reflector or absorber of solar energy, extraction of protein or enzyme or discovery of a new molecule, or designing a model or equipment such as a fermentor. Applied research focuses on problems that usually deals with the means. The outcome is most often the solution to a human problem. It has a practical use. For example, the use of molds in cheese making, use of protein extracts as food supplement for chicks, use of fermentor to maximize reproduction of fungi and bacteria, extraction of anti-tuberculosis drugs from plants, and use of solar energy-powered equipment in heating water. The second category is based on the conditions or approach under which the study is conducted. The first is descriptive research. It defines the observable characteristics of an organism and makes comparison with others without manipulating factors or under natural conditions. Examples are just taking notes of the characteristics for taxonomy, changes in morphology or structure due to evolution, and observe the changes as embryonic development occurs. The second is experimental research. The experimenter alters a factor or variable in a controlled manner or condition to test an organism's response to the factors applied. It involves cause and effect. One manipulates a factor and observes the resulting changes. The last is technical research, wherein a new technique, method, or procedure is developed, such as the new antigen testing kit for COVID-19. Take note, sometimes one cannot strictly classify a research to be just one type. It may be a combination of different types.